Doug McCon of RealityMe.net here. It's weekend project time, and there is the project. Now, is this actually going to get done? No, probably not, because that bleeds over into 2 days, and I've got a lot of work I have to do this weekend for my clients. But at least this outlines what needs to happen to finish getting the exhaust fan in the bathroom installed. Which brings me to this thing. This is this cool wire stripper that I inherited. And it also looks like it's used for gauging the wires. Of course, it's not labeled. It's not labeled, so I'm not sure what usefulness these holes have. Maybe you're just supposed to know what the gauge is. And obviously this is for actually stripping the wire. That's the most useful part. And then there's these two tiny lines here. And what I imagine is that has something to do with straightening the wire. But I don't know. Anybody ever see a tool like this? Are there uses for it that I don't yet understand? Is there a reason it's hex shaped? Am I wrong? Is it not a wire stripper? Some way of pulling up a nail? No, you would never use that for pulling up a nail. That's a wire stripper. So, if you've ever seen something like this, let me know.